Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. If your KDK fan remote suddenly stops responding and the fan no longer reacts to button presses, it can become upsetting when everything seemed completely fine before. Sometimes the KDK fan remote works occasionally and then suddenly stops, while other times no buttons respond at all and the fan stays unchanged. A situation like this can happen because of weak batteries, blocked signals, remote syncing issues, or simple connection problems that are easy to overlook. Before assuming something major completely stopped working, there are a few simple things worth checking because many KDK fan remote problems can improve after quick adjustments. In this video, let's go through several easy steps to help fix a KDK fan remote not working or responding. Step 1. Check the batteries inside the KDK fan remote if button presses suddenly stop responding. Step 2. Replace batteries in the KDK fan remote if power feels weak or inconsistent. Step 3. Point the KDK fan remote directly toward the KDK ceiling fan and remove anything blocking the signal. Step 4. Turn power to the KDK ceiling fan off briefly and restart it to refresh communication. Step 5. Test different buttons on the KDK fan remote and confirm response improves normally. Step 6. Recheck the KDK fan remote again and confirm the KDK ceiling fan responds properly.